Hi, I'm Graeme Corbett and I'm a florist. I'm also the founder and owner of the floral studio Bloom & Burn. I've collaborated with a variety of brands including Space NK, Marks & Spencer's and National Geographic. My work has been featured on album covers, a music video and TV shows like The Voice UK and Jamie Oliver's annual Christmas special. Even when I'm not working, I'm always on the lookout for flowers, at farm shops, local growers, or even on the side of the road. An afternoon working with flowers is my favourite way to relax and express myself creatively. I want my designs to reflect the beauty of the world around me, to look wild and natural with lots of shape and movement like they've just been picked from the garden. It's very important to me that my work is as sustainable as possible. This is why I use locally grown seasonal flowers wherever I can. When we learn to work with nature, we discover a whole world of possibilities, all while reducing our carbon footprint and supporting small businesses. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to make floral arrangements for a variety of occasions using seasonal flowers. For the final project, you will create a tablescape and photograph it for your social media or your website. First, I will talk you through the materials that you're going to need and how to select local, seasonal flowers to create your designs. This may mean that your flowers are totally different to mine, but that's okay, that's all part of the fun. Next, I'll talk about taking inspiration from our surroundings and how to create a mood board for job proposals. I'll also show you how to source and prep your flowers and vessels. After that, we will create 3 distinct arrangements: a hand-tied bouquet, a small bowl using a pin frog, and a large bowl before combining them into a beautiful tablescape. Finally, I will share some tips for photographing your work and sharing it on social media. By the end of this course, you'll be able to bring beauty and happiness into any space using flower arrangements. All you need to complete this course is a pair of scissors, twine, pin frog, wire, florist tape, a selection of bowls, and of course, some locally sourced blooms. This course is for anyone who loves flowers, whether you want to arrange at home or you're looking to start your own floristry business. Join me and let's spread some joy with our beautiful seasonal flower arrangements.